Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller not working in Hollow Knight Silksong game. So without wasting any time, just follow the fixes. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. But you have to right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game and then select properties. Go to controller tab. Now here select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process. Again go to properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then launch the game and check. This has helped many users to fix the problem and I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then second solution is to modify controller settings in Steam. So again go to Steam, click on this Steam word and then go to settings. Now go to controller tab. Now if you are using Switch Pro controllers, then toggle it on and make sure enable Steam input for generic controller is toggled off and then you can launch the game and check. Now if you are not using Switch Pro controller, then toggle it off and toggled on this option enable Steam input for generic controllers and then you can launch the game and check. Now if you are using Xbox controller, then toggle it on and toggle it off and then you can launch the game and check. And if still your problem is not solved, then follow the next solution. Third solution is to disconnect additional controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So disconnect all controllers except the controller that you are going to use for playing the game. Also disconnect additional peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard that might conflict with the game. Fourth solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working or not. Now try these tips. Disconnect Rock Band drums if you are using it and then check. Now if you are using HOTAS as headphone jack or MP, then unplug it and then check. If you have game on Xbox app on PC, then exiting the Steam fixes the issue. So close the Steam if you have the game on Xbox app on PC and then check. So that's all for this video. By this way you can fix controller not working in Hollow Knight Silksong game. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.